Hello, I am going to discuss how you will be taking your final exam and how you could get ready for taking that on the day of your final exam. So, what you're going to be doing for your final exam is taking it on my math lab, but you're going to access it through Blackboard using a test proctoring service called HonorLock. What I did was I created a one test question assignment that is open right now on your My Math Lab course, that you could go go through the process of accessing that so that you know that your computer is going to work for you when you take your final exam. That assignment that I have created is one question. It's called Honor Lock Setup. It will not count as part of your grade. I need you to get that started as soon as you have time so that we know that your computer is ready to go for the final exam. Or if your computer is giving you trouble, you will know that you need to find another computer, whether you go into Triton and use one of the computers in the library, or whether you use a friend's, or whatever you need to do to get this final exam done. So what you need when you take your final exam is a computer that has Chrome and has a working webcam and microphone. And again, if you don't have a computer with Chrome, a webcam, or a microphone, you will need to find one that you could use for the final, whether it is on Triton's campus, in the library, or using a neighbor's or a friend's just so you could take your final. So here's how you're going to access the assignment that I've created so that we could test your computer to make sure it's ready to go for your final exam. What you need to do is log into Blackboard. So you're going to go to your Triton homepage, go into Blackboard, go ahead. Oh, I've already logged in. So go ahead and put your username and password so that you could log into Blackboard. And then you're going to find our math class for this summer. So our math class is Math 110-771 for college algebra summer 2021. So you're going to enter in the math course on Blackboard. Okay, so this is the screen that comes up. Let me show it to you in a student view. So this is what the screen looks like when you go into Blackboard. In the middle section on this tab on the left, you'll see My Math Lab, and then in the middle, it now says HonorLock. So I've moved that in this middle section so you could find it quickly for your final exam. For now, like I said, you're going to go into HonorLock and open that one question assignment that is set up, ready to go, so that you know your computer will work on your final exam day. So what I'm going to do is click on HonorLock, and it's going to start the process of getting my computer ready. Click on HonorLock in the middle again, and then it's going to ask you to add HonorLock to your Chrome extension. You need to do this, and it's very easy to remove it once you're done with your test or that we're going to go through right now, or your final exam. So you do need to click this little box that allows you to add this Chrome extension and hit Get Started. And then you have to follow the prompts. You have to add to Chrome, click on the tab that says Add to Chrome, and then you have to click again, Add Extension. Okay, and it says HonorLock has been added to Chrome. So right here it says you could remove it. It's very easy to remove it once you're done with your test or your final. Okay, so once you've added in HonorLock, you're going to go back to your Blackboard screen. Okay, so now it told me that the HonorLock extension was added. This is the assignment that is on Blackboard right now for you to launch and get your computer ready to take your final exam. The assignment is called HonorLock Setup. You will see that on the last assignment in My Math Lab, but you have to access it through Blackboard on this HonorLock page. So you're going to launch the test, and then it will begin getting your computer ready to use this test proctoring software. So you're going to have to click on I authorize collection of data, and I agree to HonorLock's terms and service, and then you have to continue. Now you're going to hit launch proctoring. You have to go through all of these steps in order to open up that assignment. All right, now what it did was it made that window smaller, and it opened up this window on the left that's going to ask me to take a picture. So let me go ahead and take a picture. I'll try to line your face up. Okay, so once you take your picture, then you have to show your ID. Now, you could show any driver's license, state ID, or your Triton ID. You're going to click on this, and you have to put it really, really, really close in order for it to register. I mean, it has to be really close. This is just the back side of my driver's license, but you have to put it really close, and it has to be clear. It can't be blurry at all. Otherwise, it's going to keep it's going to keep failing, and you have to make sure you get that correct. So go ahead, and in this step, you're going to put your ID in. So after you scan in your ID, then it will prompt you to scan your room. So you do need to show the room that you're taking your final exam and then this practice test, and show your desk, show any paper that's on your desk. And when you're done, you could review what you did or go ahead and submit what you did. Okay, so now you're going to have to go through the process of telling HonorLock that you need where your screen is. So it's going to ask you to click your exam screen and then click the share button. So once you get to this screen that has the picture of your computer screen, you need to take your mouse and put it on top of the picture of your computer screen and click the mouse and select that area and then click share. So you need to select this and then hit share. Okay, now this is where the password is to to complete your assignment in my math. So we're going to leave this screen on, and I'm going to now go back in the middle and see where I'm at in the process. So we're done with the first 3 tabs, and now it says access exam. So I'm going to scroll down to where it says launch exam. I'm going to click that. And then bring me to my math lab. So you will have to sign into my math lab now. And then you have to find your course. You will have to put in your username and password, but since I was already in my math lab, it took me right in without the password, but you will have to put your username and password. So then you're going to find the course MAT110-771 Summer 2021. You're going to click on our math class, and then you have to find the assignment. For right now, we're going to just be doing this practice assignment, which is under your assignment tab. It takes a little minute for it to all load up. Here we go. It's going to be the very last assignment. So you need to do this before August 5th at midnight, because August 6th is the last possible day for you to take your final exam. This is the assignment called HonorLock Setup. It's a test assignment. You're going to click on that, and then it will ask you for the password. On the day of your final exam will show up in this assignment tab. It'll be towards the bottom of this assignment tab. And then you will click on your final exam and then insert the password to complete that. So for now, we're just going to do the HonorLock setup. I'm going to click on it. And now it's asking me for a password. That's where you're going to go back to this left-hand side window that has your recording on it, and you're going to click here to insert password. So you're going to click there. It automatically puts the password in to your assignment that you're doing on my math lab, and then you will scroll down and hit submit, and it'll ask you if you're ready to start that exam. So you're going to hit start exam. And now you could open up the window. Once you put your password in, you could open up that window and make it bigger. And it's going to open up your assignment. You're going to put an answer for this one. I'll answer it really quick. We want to find f plus g of x, so we just want to add our x's together. So negative 2x plus negative 8x is negative 10, and then we're adding 3 plus 2, which is 5. So the correct answer here is B. It's just one question. And it doesn't matter if you get this right or wrong. This will not count as part of your grade. I just want you to go through this process to get your computer ready to go for your final exam. And just so you've seen how to open up an assignment through HonorLock and submit it. So now once you're done with this question, you're going to hit submit. If it was the final exam, you would have to answer every question before you submit. You would go question 1, 2, 3, all the way up through question 50. And then once you're done with the exam, you will hit submit. It'll tell you what your score is, and then you could log out of there. You could shut this down. Once you hit submit, it will submit the assignment for you. So now I am done. I'm going to X out of here. Let's see, where did it go? I forget. Oh, if you want to take HonorLock off of your Chrome, it might do a pop-up where it'll say, do you want to take HonorLock off? And you could go ahead and hit yes, or you could wait until you're done with the final exam. But if I click on these 3 dots next to HonorLock extension, it says remove from Chrome. So you could remove it here, or you could wait until after your final exam and then remove HonorLock from Chrome. So please get that practice assignment done, and email me with any problems that you have with it so we could get those problems fixed before it comes time for you to take your final exam. So again, you will be taking your final exam. You will get it through Blackboard HonorLock. You need to have Chrome, a webcam, and a microphone for you to be able to take your final exam under that proctored software that we're going to use. Again, if you have any questions, please email me and we will make sure that you're ready to go for the final. Okay, good luck.